Welcome to Introduction to Super Agent, the intelligent routers for customer interactions in business. A super agent acts as the central orchestrator. Its primary function is to analyze incoming user queries, identify the user's intent, and delegate that query to the most appropriate, specialized agent responsible for handling that specific role. If we are designing a chatbot for a healthcare use case, super agent's role will be to help customers with booking a doctor appointment, scheduling health checks, suggesting doctors, etc. Each of these roles defined under as super agent will be handled by individual agents. There is one agent handling appointment booking, another agent to schedule health checks, another agent to suggest specialists based on symptoms, etc. Let's understand how to configure a super agent. A super agent acts as a central orchestrator, guiding user interactions and delegating tasks to specialized agents. Here's how to set it up. Defining the super agent's persona and roles. First, you'll give your super agent a distinct personality and define its core responsibilities. Set the persona. Click the Edit button and choose a persona for your super agent: polite, empathetic, or witty. This sets the tone for its interactions. Define roles. Clearly describe the super agent's role based on your business domain and its specific use cases. For example, in the healthcare domain, roles might include booking a doctor's appointment, exploring health packages, searching for doctors, etc., as they will inform how you define your individual agents later on. Integrate an LLM, large language model. To give your super agent advanced conversational capabilities, you'll integrate an LLM. Add LLM account. Go to Settings, click Add Account, and provide a custom name. Select Provider and Credentials. Choose an LLM provider from the list and enter your credentials. Assign LLM to Super Agent. Once configured, navigate back to your Super Agent's configuration to select this LLM for its operations. Handle user queries and welcome messages. The Super Agent is triggered when a new session begins or a user clicks the Home button, initiating the welcome message. Choose How to Welcome. Click on Choose How to Welcome to define the super agent's initial greeting. Select a welcome method. Click Change to pick one of three methods. Instruct super agent. Provide specific instructions on how to welcome a user. You can also add interactive buttons by selecting Show Suggestions with Welcome Message. Click Add Buttons to configure them. Trigger Welcome Flow. Use this option if you've already created a dedicated welcome flow. Send Message. Create a custom welcome message directly. You can also add buttons here. Important note: if you plan to use these buttons to trigger other agents, ensure the button's name exactly matches the agent's trigger description. Configure custom rules. You can add custom rules to enforce specific requirements based on your business logic. Example rules: customer phone number is mandatory for registration. Customer driving license is mandatory for booking a test drive. Set up fallback mechanisms. Fallback ensures your super agent can gracefully handle unanswered queries or unexpected technical issues. Handle fallback. You have two options for configuring fallback. Provide instructions. Give a super agent specific instructions on how to handle fallback scenarios. Select existing fallback flow. Choose an existing fallback flow that you've previously created. Configure retries for invalid responses. To manage situations where a user provides invalid information, you can set up retries. Set number of retries. Configure the number of retries the super agent will attempt if the customer provides invalid information multiple times. This comprehensive configuration will equip your super agent to manage user interactions effectively within your specified business domain. That's how we configure a super agent. Let's summarize what we have understood about super agent. So, what is a super agent? A super agent orchestrates various agents and helps drive conversations seamlessly. It can handle small talk, send a welcome message, manage fallback scenarios, and retain context through conversations. The welcome message is the initial greeting provided by the super agent to users. To configure the welcome message, you can add instructions to AI on how to greet the users, or trigger a predefined welcome flow, or add a custom welcome message. A fallback message provides instructions for the AI when it doesn't understand a user query. You add instructions to AI or trigger a predefined fallback flow for handling unexpected inputs. Next, we shall understand how individual agents can be configured.